Good morning. Listen to this for a message. I've shown you that by hard work, we must help the weak. Is that a correct reflection on our life today? Do we do hard work to help the weak? Now, this is not a guilt trip. This is just a sharing word. I see that happening all over the place. I see it happening when people put on events just to help the poor. I wonder sometimes if I could ever keep up with their energy in doing good for the poor, hard work. It is better to give than to receive. To give than to receive. How many people do you know about whom you could say, it is better because they are better in giving than they are in receiving? And so we thank God for people who give, but we also thank God for the grace that we get by receiving what we need for encouragement on our life's journey. Throw a blessing at these people today.